There we go. It was some light. See, it's already boiling. I mean, like, it is literally boiling up. And it says it's within temp. I mean, inside it's 141. So I think I've still got a lot of air. Somewhere. If I can get it to maybe burp out, she'll start up. But either way, what I think I'm going to do is get the hood closed, make sure it's fully full, and then we'll head back. Jettie's like, I thought we were going farther. That's as far as we're going. It's a short joyride. Very short. Okay. Yes, thankfully did not get out in the boonies. Okay, so I'm going to try an old Indian trick, which is barely cracking that cap on, so it can hopefully definitely let pressure off. Yeah, old Indian trick. Okay. I think we're okay. It's good sign that there's not actually oil in the water. It's a bad sign that I've been unable to get it to regulate even cooling.